Hi, my name is Jessie.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
Today we'll be making something very healthy, which is a tinted natural lip balm.
Let's go! Oh, Jessie. So, I noticed you like to do your lip embroidery.
Yes, but doing a lip embroidery doesn't mean that you do not need to take care of your lips. So today we'll be doing a very good remedy for you to take good care of your lips. So what are we going to use today to make the lip balm?
Okay, so today we are going to use organic, natural, unrefined cocoa butter, and we're going to use unrefined organic shea butter.
So why is this important?
Okay, so shea butter and cocoa butter actually it has really excellent moisturizing effects for the lips. Why is moisturizing for the lips really important? It's because the skin on our lip is actually very thin. So if you're using like chemicals or artificial moisturizing agent, it's going to cause more dryness than moisturizing.
So it helps to set up a natural SPF protection and a protective barrier on our lips.
Yes. So basically, most of the lip balm or lipstick in the market, commercialized products, they're made of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, usually they just seal like a layer of, it looks like a moisture on the lips, but it's actually going to cause more dry and chapped lips than protecting it.
So usually, if I think that using Vaseline is good enough, so it's not the way, right? Because Vaseline is not good for your lips and it doesn't really create the moisturizing and the protection and the anti-aging for your lips actually.
Yes, so Vaseline, most of the ingredient inside majority is petroleum jelly. So petroleum jelly is actually a moisturizing agent derived from petroleum chemicals, which can be not so safe and healthy for our body, and definitely not for our lips, because like we have our lip balm and lipstick with us like 365 days. So what happens if you're eating your lipstick and lip balm like all day long?
So it goes the same as our common lipsticks, right? Because most of the ingredients, the coloring that they use are actually hazardous. So we are putting on something toxic and we are eating it into our body every day.
Yes, so basically what we are using here today is natural plant pigments. So, or maybe if sometimes we will use like fruit or vegetable pigments like beetroot, strawberry.
Wow.
To tint, give you like a natural, and our lip balm actually smells really good because we have like USDA organic essential oil in it.
That sounds really nice. And my favorite ingredient in the lip balm is actually the peppermint oil, because it helps to create this refreshing, this cooling effect on the lips, while it helps me to regenerate new skin cells and having a nicer, softer, plumper lips, because it's a natural plumbing agent for your lips, right?
Oh wow, that's my favorite too, because I always like plump and nice lips. And Singapore is a very humid area and a humid country. We always wanted like something refreshing on our lips so we don't feel so dry and our lips doesn't crack so much.
So you told me that actually you also put in vitamin E in the ingredients as well. Why is that so?
Okay, so for vitamin E, there is non-GMO and the normal vitamin E. So our choice will always be the most natural vitamin E, which is non-GMO, gluten-free. And vitamin E helps with regenerating the cells. So if you have really dry lips or you have just done your lips embroidery like Jessie, okay, it looks really good. She just had it done today and there's no swelling, and it just look amazing. So it's so natural that you can even use it on open wounds like your lip embroidery, and the pigment inside actually help you to retain the color, to let your lip heal better after the procedure. By using vitamin E, it actually helps to regenerate the cells, so it actually prevent the formation of dry skin and actually speed up healing. So our lip balm is actually exclusively formulated for people who are going through like a lip embroidery procedures. It actually helps to retain the color retention of the lip embroidery and act as an excellent aftercare. And definitely because it's 100% natural, it is absolutely safe to use of after the procedure.
Yes, I noticed that in order to have a good embroidery color, aftercare is extremely important as well. So we choose to make this natural lip balm with high amount of vitamin E so that your lips can get the best healing and the best moisturizing, so that when your blood circulation is promoted by the vitamin E cell renewal, you will get an amazing result after the lip embroidery. So it's really important to use the product after the lip embroidery, and also do it for your day-to-day lip care. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next episode.